Plowing this field is hard work. Now to plant some seeds. Grow big and strong. Good day, my leafy friends. You're sprouting nicely today. Keep growing strong. The fields are growing slowly today. Look at the leaves unfurling, bit by bit. Time to check on my fields. Look at them growing so slowly and steadily. Time to water the fields. There we go, nice and steady. Good morning, my fields. Let's see how you're doing today. Time for some water. There you go, grow big and strong. Squawk, time to work. One more. Time to harvest these boring fruits. One more for the basket. Time to load up for export. All right, in you go. Wow, what a great harvest. Time to head home. These fruits are perfect. Squawk, fruits to the market. Squawk, over there. Squawk, happy daddy. Time to take these fruits to the market. We're here, time to sell. Fresh fruits coming through. Whoa, stopping now. Nice apples, how much? Fresh fruits, get your fresh fruits here. Bananas, apples, mangoes, sweet and juicy. Best deals in the market. Fresh fruits, get them hot. How much for the bananas? Whoa, a deal. Sold out. Fresh fruits, get them while they're ripe. Thank you, come again. Sold out, what a great day. Fresh fruits, get them while they're ripe. All sold out. Now to count the earnings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A good haul. To the fruit market. What'll it be today? Apples and bananas, please. Thanks. Whee! Empty cart, full speed ahead. Home sweet home, here I come. Hello everyone, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you.